Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy TikTok coins using a Visa gift card. It's easier than you might think, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and head to your profile section. Tap the menu icon, it might look like three lines or a gear symbol, then look for the balance or in-app purchases section. From there, tap on Get Coins or Recharge to see the available coin packages. Choose the one that works best for you, and tap on the Recharge button. Here's the trick. TikTok might not let you add a Visa gift card directly in some regions. Instead, add your gift card to your device's built-in payment system, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Once added, this payment method will be available for in-app purchases, including TikTok coins. After setting up your payment method, confirm the purchase and your coins will be added to your account instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to buy TikTok coins using a Visa gift card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.